This is your Hurricane Florence update. It's 4:38. It's made at 4. The graphics were made at 4 o'clock. Time for the Florence update. We'll talk about what's going to happen in Carolinas, what we're going to have in the local area. Carolinas, landfalling on tropical about 4 from Wilmington, and where the North Carolina South Carolina border to the Outer Banks. Outer Banks are a little less likely now. Storm surge 9 to 12 feet, maybe a little higher. Rainfall of 20 inches easily along the coastline. Tornadoes and power outages. Issues to Roanoke. I'm going to quit this real fast because I put the wrong numbers down here. 5 to 10 inches in Roanoke. It'll be isolated at 10 inches. 4 to 9 on Lynchburg and south side. This is because we have a stronger upslope, the mountains, all that. Tornadoes are still possible, potentially mainly Sunday, Monday time frame. We'll show you on a graphic that my buddy Jamie Singleton made here shortly. 20 to 40 mile an hour gusts. Power outages possible. Trees down likely. Mudslides and flooding is the biggest issue, and starts some of the effects come in overnight Friday and Tuesday. So we go look at the latest models, and you can see that it does make the loop. So that's what's going to bring us most of our rain is when that makes the loop. This is the current hurricane right now. Beautiful picture of the visible satellite. Looks like a little bit of eye roll replacement cycle going on here, which is why it weakened a little bit, and it'll likely go back up. Another set of models here. The consensus says, yes, it makes its turn near the Virginia-Kentucky border, maybe a little further to east, latest model runs. So supposedly there's a 5 o'clock run coming in as I speak, and I'm going to take a look at that here. The 5 p.m. track is 125 miles an hour. As you see here, hurricane warnings are located here from North Carolina, Virginia border south to parts of South Carolina. Not much of a change in the track, just a smidge north here, and this will make sense for when it makes that turn that we were talking about here a minute ago. So taking a look at information, back that up. We can see that the rainfall is still 6 inches to 10 inches here along the Appalachians and the Blue Ridge because of when this low will sit here, where the model is showing it, and it thinks the size, okay, right now with Virginia, it's going to double in size. The water is going to come off the ocean, and it's going to come from the south, and it's going to keep pushing in. That's also going to increase the chance of tornadic activity. Like I said, just a smidge north now, not much, with the track difference, and it stayed the same as 2 p.m. GFS model clearly shows what I'm talking about. The rain start to head north. This is right around Sunday evening, and you can see, like I said, heavier rain will pull up. Isolated tornadoes are here's the isobars, a little bit stronger winds. Same thinking here with the European model. And the graphic that I was talking about, Jamie Singleton made, which give him all credit in the world. See him at Jamie Singleton on Twitter and Jamie Singleton on Facebook. Amazing meteorologist, good buddy of mine. Local meteorologist, awesome. But flooding potential Saturday night through Tuesday. Wind, we'll get some wind starting off Friday and go straight through Tuesday. Tornado threat mainly Saturday night through Monday night. And like I said, there's a great graphic to explain the timing right now on the storm. May shift a little bit, not much. Key points: expect stuff to start kicking on Saturday mainly, and at the evening, power outages, flooding, tree damage. Call 911 only for power outages. Please not for power outages. Do not call 911 for power outages. Only call for emergencies, fires, need for rescue, police. 211 to assist certain things with like the Salvation Army and things of that matter. And contact Appalachian Power, Southside, whoever your agency is, to do that. For information, follow us a little better. Search in the bar in Facebook for the Weather Pros, live weather blogs, responding fire. There are locations that I send all my information to. So once again, to recap this real quick, I'm going to use Jamie's graphic again. This is the time frame we're going to have to watch the most. And we've started our impacts Saturday mainly. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. We'll have another update soon.